Hello all traders. In this video, I'm pleased to inform you about our global instructor's success story with the PAAT system and how Sam became funded and paid by the Apex Trader funding. As you may have seen from the funded traders section of our website, all of our global instructors and many graduated students received funds and payouts from various prof firms. So the earlier video from the Sam was about his success, that he grew his personal accounts of 1K to 32K in 8 months using the price action algo trading system. And we showed the details of his account and trades that consistently compounded and grew this account significantly using the PAAT system. And also Sam, after graduation, before joining the Trading Days Academy, was one of the first students who successfully passed and received funds from one-up trader prop firm. And you can see the detailed report of his success with the one-up trader that had difficult challenge with consistency rules and 15 days of trading. So a few months ago, Sam received an offer from Apex Trader Funding, one of the most famous futures prop firms, and he decided to take a challenge on a 25K Rithmic account that has a profit target and active trailing threshold of $1,500. So he made a payment on December 14, and with 80% off, he completed the registration process and received email immediately about activation of his 25K challenge account that was only about $29. So he started this challenge, and after 3 days of trading, he reached a balance of 26,621 and a minimum profit target of 1,500, and completed the requirements to become funded and received this certificate of passing the 25K Rithmic account on December 21st by the Apex Trader Funding. To receive the funded accounts and also the payouts, the Apex has changed the rules and made it easier to withdraw. So after completing 8 trading days and reaching the minimum safety net, the person can ask for the withdrawal. But also they introduced a few new rules, such as 30% consistency rules, which is similar to one-up trader and some other prop firms. And then the safety net of $100 that I mentioned. And the new risk management rule of 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio, so no single trade can have a loss 5 times more than its profit target. And also the new static negative drawdown from the end of the day balance of previous day was introduced. So for the 25K account, this static end of the day threshold is $450. And also the most difficult part for most prop firms is an active trailing threshold, which means during the day, if you make 1,500 and if you lose this amount of profit and your total profit and loss becomes 0 for the day, you lose the account. So with all these difficult requirements, Sam paid the activation fee of $125 on 21st of December, and this is in Australian dollar, and he received a 25K Rithmic funded account. And this shows the result of his trades and profit and loss on every day, which is varied from $150 gain to $450 per day. And by completing the 8 days requirement, his balance was $27,596. And he didn't break any of those rules and became eligible for the payout. So he completed the signature section and asked for the withdrawal, which is limited to 1,500 on the 25K account, and that was approved on 4th of January, and received email for the payout payment by the plain global payment system, and also received the certificate of the payout that was requested on 4th of January, which was in fact 1,500 with $10 service fee deducted. So that's the summary of the success story of the Sam, who has successfully completed another prop firm challenge and get funded and paid by the Apex Trader Funding. So how Sam's from a novice trader become a successful trader and our global instructor and passed many prop firm challenges and grow his personal account successfully. If we look at the Sam's trades, we see that he fully understands the 3 setups that we introduced in the PAAT Advanced course. And for the prop firms, he uses mainly setup T, which stands for trend following and has a high win rate. and a small drawdown. And I already explained these setups in another YouTube video, so you can refer to that video and understand how we identify high probability trading areas with high win rate and a small drawdown. Also, Sam and other successful traders follow the 9 secrets that I discussed in another video based on the funded next prop firm statistics that emphasizes on following a good profitable setups, that is mainly setup T, which is trend following with good risk to reward ratio profit factor, to identify high quality trades and focus on limited instruments and achieve high win rates, which is in fact the basis of our training system with 760 smart drills through deliberate practice system to master the setup T, to trade automatically without any stress. So Sam's went through all of this gradually a few years ago and understood all the simplified teaching concepts and completed all tedious, numerous smart drills and the coaching session with me and personalized his setups and journaled his trade and was monitored to become a professional trader. And for the trader's career development, we recommend they start with prop firms first, as they provide good capital with a small fees and their risk monitoring system is very rigorous. The trader can practice and eliminate his mistakes at low risk and cost during the monitoring sessions, and then the trader can become highly disciplined and ready to work on his personal account or trading institutes as a day trader or portfolio manager. The Sam's success in trading has already been described by many videos that you can find in the Success Secrets section of our website, and you can refer to these few videos that are very important. So hope this video on another success story of the Sam who has completed this journey and from a student with no knowledge of trading became a novice and finally a professional trader is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and happy trading.